Good morning, guys! So it is currently 10:22 and we are already on the road. So we are heading to Milford Sound. It is about a 1 hour and 45 minutes drive from wherever we left off, which is our campsite. Yeah, which is at Te Anau. Right, so we have already prepared breakfast and also prepared lunch just in case we don't have enough time to make lunch there.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Our cruise starts at 1:15 and we need to be there about 45 minutes earlier. So it means around maybe 12:30. So by the time we drive over, it should be around 12:30, 12:40.
Look, what's that?
Is that llamas?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! We have been trying to find places where we can touch llamas, feed llamas, or even like just look at llamas, right? Because llama is my favorite animal. But based on like Google, all the like llama trackings are all in Kaikoura, which is out of the way, or even like Hammer Springs, which is also not on the way to wherever we are heading. So it's quite sad because all we have been seeing are like sheep, cows, deers, horse. Yeah. So it's so nice to know that actually there is a llama farm here.
Yep.
So we're gonna definitely go and see the llamas. Hopefully pet the llamas if the owners allow us to do so. We have actually booked the cruise through Klook under the Southern Discovery company. Yeah, because it was Klook's choice. We were contemplating between Pure Company or the Southern Discovery, but they both around the same price, and based on the reviews, all is about the same. So we just decided to pick the one that Klook recommended. Are you excited?
Yep.
Yeah! We are at Milford Sound. We just parked our campervan at the parking lot. The first 20 minutes is free parking, but if you're coming before 3 p.m, every hour is $10, and after 3 p.m, every hour is $5. So for us, we are parking all the way until 3:30. Now it's currently around 12:30-ish, right? Therefore, we pay a total of 30 NZD to park here. There is a free parking lot further in front, but you will probably need to walk a distance, maybe let's say about 15 to 20 minutes in to Milford Sound. If you don't mind the walk, and if you're here early, then definitely parking at a free car park would be good. But if not, you can just park here and just pay at most $30-$40.
What the dog doing?
We are going in. These are boarding tickets. Thank you. So excited. Are you excited? Pride of Milford. There's a lot of sandfly here, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, some was flies.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Hi. Wow. Nice. You got a seat here. I'm so excited.
We are at the top deck.
Yes.
They say the top deck has the nicest view. So yeah, it seems like it.
So excited.
Yeah.
Right, then later we can eat our lunch.
Yeah.
My apple and I brought Oreos also. Yay!
It's a 2-hour boat ride. So finally have some time to just sit back and relax. No walking, just enjoying the view, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
And you can eat now.
Okay, let's
It's
eat now.
quite, yeah. We shall eat now. Now it's like 1 p.m.
Okay.
We'll set sail at around 1:50. Shall we at 1:50?
No, she eat now.
No? No, my hand.
No, she's eating the croissant. The croissant looks so good.
Yeah.
So I got my apple.
The apple.
Lunch out.
Yeah. Look at that view.
Lunch.
We have wrap, cheesy chicken wrap. Oh, box is disfigured. Look at that. It's like suctioning. Oh my god.
Okay, time to eat. Bye.
I'll show you the food first. So this wrap. It's kind of cold already. It's actually quite cold.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
We'll just make do.
Bye.
Oh, just now. Yeah. A bit closer. Back a bit.
Why don't you move? Why don't you move?
Okay.
You move up.
Okay.
Why me?
Okay, I move. You see your tongue out. Ah.
Yeah.
We have ended our Milford Sound cruise. Because I watch a lot of TikTok and I set very high expectation for Milford Sound, honestly I would say I was a tad disappointed because I thought we were going to see more waterfalls, but we only saw like two, right? Which are their Yeah, two of the permanent one. They say that these two are permanent waterfalls that you confirm can see. The rest is always based on the weather. So one of the staff mentioned to us that like you will get to see more waterfalls if the week before it was raining, or like it is gonna rain, or when it's raining while you are on the cruise, then you'll see more waterfalls. If not, then you probably will only be able to see these two, which was quite sad because we thought that it was gonna rain. Right, before coming here we thought that it was gonna rain, and we were so excited to be able to like see all the waterfalls, and it's gonna be super magical. Not saying that it's not nice, right? Of course it is still really 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 beautiful. Like you can see the whole is that mountain or is it hills? Like the yeah, we're not very sure. So mountain, hills, whatever, the whole Milford Sound is really very nice, very therapeutic, I would say. And the staff there were really nice, so he will share with you like fun facts, I would say, of where the dolphin come from, or around what time the dolphin will come, why is the seal at this specific location, and where is a good place to take pictures of the waterfall and which angle is nice. So we were talking to him, and he told us that from Milford Sound you go out into the sea, and then you will U-turn back into the fjord, right? So when you're turning in, then that's where they will move closer to the waterfall. So let's say if you guys want to take picture, then maybe the first 30-40 minutes you can just sit down, chill, enjoy the view, right? And then when they are starting to turn back into the fjord, then you can stand up and take videos, because that's when you get really up close with the waterfalls, and that's when you can see the sails and the dolphin. So he was saying that in the morning they managed to see 5 dolphins, yeah. But the timing that we went, we didn't manage to see any dolphin at all. We only saw 1 seal, right, which is really cute, but it's super small and you really cannot see it unless you're really close, or unless you really squint your eyes, right? So we tried to take a video of it, but you can't really see lah. So I guess it's fine, the seal, right? Yeah. But other than that, I think that it was a great experience.
Yeah.
Right, definitely you should experience Milford Sound when you're coming down to New Zealand, right? But preferably maybe book when you see the weather is a bit more rainy the past few days, or on the day itself, right? Then that way you'll be able to see more waterfalls, and I think it'll be even more magical, right? Yeah, because the main purpose of us coming to Milford Sound was to really see the waterfalls. So that's why I would say it was a bit disappointing.
Underwhelming.
Yeah, it was a bit underwhelming because we only saw 2 waterfalls, right? But still didn't regret our experience, right? And we would, if we know there's going to be like this, we would still come to Milford Sound. Yes. But instead of video of where you can stand to take nice pictures with the waterfall, so take note there are sandflies around the area where we are parking. So if you can, just bring your inside repellent just in case. So we're gonna head down to Mirror Lake now, since we still have time and the sun is still up, to take some nice pictures and just to chill and look at the lake. And then from there we will go back to the same campsite that we stayed at last night and make dinner.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, so it's just gonna be another 2 hours drive out from Milford Sound.
Let's go. Hey, we'll see you at the Mirror Lake. Let's go.
Lakeside. So we are parking at the same place we parked at yesterday. So when the reception was open today, therefore we were able to check in with the lady, and she's the nicest person because she actually assigned us to 139, which was further away from the kitchen, and so we asked her whether we can get somewhere closer to the kitchen area, and she gave us 159, which is by the lake. So this is where our van is parked at. And when we wake up in the morning, this is what we will be looking at. So it is the lake view. So pretty. Also, when we were driving back from Milford Sound, we passed by this like farm that had like llamas, and I really want to visit them. So I also asked her, is it a place where we can go and visit to like feed llamas or like pet them? And she said like actually there's another place up near a cafe where we can buy food and feed the llamas and also pet them. So they open from 7 to 7 p.m. So it's currently around 5:30 now. We're deciding whether we should walk over to find a place or to drive over or just to go tomorrow instead. So I'll update you again because I gotta let Jordan decide.
Let's go.
This is the first time we reach our campsite.
With daylight, we're gonna go to the lake. The llama place we shall go tomorrow on the way to Queenstown.
Yes.
Because it is out of where we are going. It's on the way to Queenstown, I would say.
Nice.
Yes, it's on the way to Queenstown. So probably you'll grab breakfast there because they open at 7. So yes, we'll leave here bright and early. Yep.
Let's go visit.
That's about it. Let's go to the lakes. Let's go. Let's go.
Jordan's gonna go skip some rocks. Wow! 3, 4.
The tempted motor.